like a Hellcat.
Welcome back to another Master of Everything lawn care video, where, heck, my videos aren't in order apparently. So I just been kind of grabbing random videos I have found laying around, and this was done before the last video you've seen. So yeah, they're all out of order, all mixed up. But I've been throwing them up as I got time to edit them. So I call lawn care my hobby. So this is just something I do on the side that pays for itself. So the little bit of people's lawns that I do and charge money for pay for this equipment. So this is my hobby that pays for itself. But one of the great things about it is it's relaxing. It's nice just to get on a lawnmower and go mow and jam out to some music while you're mowing. So this is my best version of that experience, and the way 2019 is going, I think we can all use a little bit of time just to relax. So here is 5 minutes of relaxing, listening to music, and watching mow. Be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. See you later.
I'll bet this big-time action brings out the dog in your boy over there. Did I just stutter or something? Did I just stutter? A few minutes ago it was like a pool hole, this motherfucker. Now it's as quiet as a church. Is this your first time in the pool hole, Mr. Beckerman? Is that it? Your clothes get a little mashed. Let me tell you something. When you walk out of here, you'll have the smell
Okay, I lied. 5 minutes is way too fast. Makes me nauseous to watch that mowing that fast. So let's hear that song again and make this 10 minutes.
Race to 9 for 80,000. I'll bet this big time action brings out the dog in your boy over there. Did I just stutter or something? Did I just stutter? A few minutes ago it was like a pool hole, this motherfucker. Now it's as quiet as a church. Is this your first time on the pool hole, Mr. Beckerman? Is that it? Close it, vanished. Let me tell you something. When you walk out of here, you'll have the smell of this place.